Bazzite vs Batocera. Which gaming OS is better? Explores how choosing the right gaming operating system can transform your gaming experience without complicated setups. We'll look at Bazzite and Batocera, two popular options for gamers. Bazzite and Batocera are both Linux-based gaming OSes designed to deliver smooth gameplay and broad hardware support. The core difference lies in Bazzite's focus on a polished KDE desktop environment versus Batocera's streamlined, dedicated gaming platform optimized for retro emulation. Bazzite is a Linux distribution tailored for gaming, built on a stable base with a KDE Plasma desktop that offers a modern and customizable user interface. It supports a wide range of gaming hardware and integrates well with Steam and other game launchers, making it suitable for PC gamers who want a versatile system. Bazzite works by combining the power of Linux with gaming-specific tweaks, including performance optimizations and driver support. Its strengths include a familiar desktop experience, excellent compatibility with modern titles, and strong community support. However, it requires a bit of Linux know-how for installation and setup, which might be challenging for beginners. Bazzite is ideal for gamers who want a full desktop environment alongside gaming capabilities, such as those who stream or multitask while gaming. It also appeals to users who prefer KDE's aesthetics and customization options. Batocera is a lightweight open-source Linux gaming OS focused primarily on retro gaming and emulation. It works by booting directly into a streamlined interface that supports a vast library of classic consoles and arcade systems without the need for a full desktop environment. Batocera's strengths lie in its simplicity, ease of use, and excellent out-of-the-box emulation support. It is highly optimized for low-end hardware, making it perfect for dedicated retro gaming rigs or single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi. Limitations include minimal support for modern PC games and limited desktop functionality, as it is designed strictly for gaming. Batocera is perfect for users who want a plug-and-play retro gaming experience with minimal setup and maintenance. It's also a great choice for those who prioritize emulation accuracy and performance on less powerful machines. Comparing Bazzite and Batocera highlights distinct use cases. Bazzite offers a full KDE desktop experience alongside gaming, ideal for modern PC gamers who want flexibility for streaming, multitasking, and running contemporary titles. Its learning curve is steeper, rewards users with customization and broad hardware support. Batocera, on the other hand, excels as a dedicated retro gaming OS with a simple interface and minimal setup. It shines on low-spec hardware and is perfect for those focused on classic console emulation. The trade-off is less versatility for non-gaming tasks and limited support for new games. Choosing between them depends on whether you want an all-in-one gaming desktop or a specialized retro gaming machine. Choose Bazzite if you want a modern, customizable Linux desktop with strong support for contemporary PC games alongside your gaming needs. Opt for Batocera if your priority is hassle-free retro gaming with excellent emulation support on lightweight hardware. Both systems offer unique advantages, so select the one that best matches your gaming style and hardware setup for the ultimate experience.